This is MSC World America, cabin number 11062, Infinite Ocean View. Entering the cabin, you have a nice sitting area off to the right, desk and makeup. The storage is behind you with a closet, some sliding doors, some drawers and shelving. The bathroom is exit door into the cabin. A little tight with the shower, glass enclosed. Some additional shelving in the bathroom area. There's a nice room divider, breaks up the room a bit with a nice generous couch and sitting area. A second set of seating area with can be used as a coffee table, a little ottoman. The fridge and bar area, and then the Infinite Ocean View that also does drop down and turn into essentially a balcony cabin. Here today boarding in Miami. That does drop all the way down. Very sizable cabin with the sitting area as you essentially get back the space from the balcony. Really nicely set up. This is MSC World America, cabin number 11062.